Standard notation is what we would say is the normal way of writing a number. Standard notation would just be like 2,486. That is considered standard notation, the way we normally write numbers on the number line and when we normally interact with numbers. Word notation is taking the number we have and writing it out, spelling it out in words. So for our previous example, 2,486. So here you can see that each number was highlighted. 2,000 was our first digit in the thousands place, the number 2. 400, you can see the number 4 and the place value 100. 8 for 80, and then 6. Notice there is no word and. If we had a decimal, so for example, it was the original standard notation was 2,486.5, we would write that as 2,486 and the and is for your decimal point, 5, and then the place value is tenths. So again, word notation is spelling out your word. And word notation is very, very similar to word notation, except a slightly different way of writing it. Instead of writing out 2, we would write 2, and then you name the place value 1,000. 4, and then you name the place value 100. 8 tens and 6 ones would be the way to name 2,486. And then we could also add and 5 tenths. Again, we have each number and each place value highlighted with this notation of writing the number. Expanded notation is taking our original number and adding it with the true values of the place values. So if we stick with our standard notation example of 2,486, I'm going to take the value, the true value of that 2. It is actually 2,000. And I'm going to add it to the true value of the 4. I'm going to add that to the true value of the 8 plus the true value of the 6. If we add that up, it will take us back to 2,486. Now again, if we were to add decimals of 5 tenths, I would add the true value of that 5, which would be 5 tenths. And again, it would add back to the standard notation form which we started with.